Hello, my name is Jonathan Yin, and this is my game QuickMaths.java. So, my educational goal for the game is to teach the kids that are taking Algebra 1 or below the simple concepts of Algebra 1 and to help them get a better understanding and to help them improve their skills in this topic of math. And in my game, there are 3 levels of Algebra 1. There's level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 1 is the easiest level, level 2 is the intermediate level, and level 3 is the hardest level. Okay, and this is how you play the game. So when you first start, it will welcome you, like, hello, welcome to QuickMaths.java. Please press continue to start the game. So press continue, and then here you have the start panel, and here you have a J menu. You have level 1, level 2, level 3, where you can choose the levels you want to play. And here's the instructions button. It's a J button. Here you have instructions, the J label, and under that is a scroll pane, and as text area is added to the scroll pane, so then it can show. And this is a quit button, so you can go back to the start page. And here's the high scores. You can see, right now, because no one's played it yet, you can't see anything in the high scores. And here, quit, you go back to the same page. And here you can submit your name, like so, and submit it. And here it shows in the name.txt. And let's get started with level 1. So in this panel, it's just 2 buttons, start and quit, so the user can confirm if they want to start or quit the game. And the user clicks start, and below there's a timer. It just shows how long the user has been in the game. And first question is x plus 6 equals 7. So if the user enters the answer correct, for let's say now he presses the right answer, it just goes to the next question. But let's say he answers the questions wrong, so he clicks on x equals 4, and it will show a answer panel and then showing the explanation. And here you have the choice to go to continue or quit. To continue, just advance to the next question, but if you quit, it will bring you back to the welcome panel, and you can actually continue the game, and then you can continue and then to the next question. And after the game finishes, you have a finished game panel, and it just shows a good job. And then there's a button here to tell the user to click here to go back, and then which goes back to the welcome panel. And then the level 2 and level 3 panel are the exact same thing. Okay, and here is my code. So in the code, there's multiple file IOs. From here we have answer number, like this is the answer txt for level 3, and then these are the questions for level 3 using the, and then these are level 1 questions, level 1 answers, level 2 questions, level 2 answers, and this is a txt where it stores the name of the user. And to get the file, I would use a trike. Sorry. To get to the file, I used a try catch block where you make a variable in file, and then you make it in file name, so then it can get the words from it can read the txt, and then you have a file not found exception, so then it catches the error if there is one. And then here you have write questions 1. You have a while loop which has input dot has next, so then it checks if there's more in the text area. No, sorry, in the text txt, and then the question 1 is a string to store the questions, and then you use a JTA2, which is a text area to store the questions, and then here you use string methods so you can isolate the questions one by one. Okay, for the GUI I used in this game is mainly just text, just draw string, and I drew some images. For example, right here you have g.drawString quick maths, and then you can, and there's draw images. Where is it? Yeah. Okay. So when I tested my audience, over the first time, I tested a person who was in pre-calc, which was a pretty bad idea because he knew everything, so then it didn't work.